What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I've made and talked about and watched a bunch of videos and comments and predictions on XRP and what people believe about this. Um, I truly love XRP. I love the community of XRP because the community is definitely more together than honestly any other community that I've been a part of. No offense to people in CRO or Jasmy or whatever. There are people that are divided everywhere. But if you're in the XRP community, the predictions and the belief of prices going to certain places is just insane. We're all together and we believe that this could happen, this could happen, this could happen, and this could happen. Yes, we may have our belief short term, but then we also understand the possibility. We understand different things that will happen or could happen as we see certain things get implemented, right? So we have more support within this community than honestly any other community that I've seen. Outside of the community, people just don't see it because of how high the market cap will be. But anybody that's inside of it understands why market cap may not be an issue, especially as you get towards the higher figures, right? Market cap is not an issue. Lower area, yes, market cap is always an issue because you're thinking as just an investor. You're not looking at the ultimate big picture, which could send you honestly to the moon. So my question and the questions that I've seen is always around like how much is enough, right? Is 1,000 enough? 10,000 enough? 100,000 enough? And the major question surrounding that is not just how much is enough. It's will I become a millionaire? Will XRP truly make millionaires? And my short answer, without you having to go into any of the detail as to why, is yes. I think XRP will make millionaires. But will it make you a millionaire is kind of a loaded question and has a ton to answer with, right? So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys want to get started trading over there. It honestly is a very, very good platform that I've had a ton of success with. I honestly love the platform, so feel free to check that out for yourself. It'll be at the top of the description. But XRP is definitely always the topic of conversation, at least for me. Um, how much is enough? I've answered that question many times in saying that yes, 1,000 could be enough, 10,000 could be enough. You might not need a crazy amount in order to make so much money or have a life changing amount. But if you were looking to become a millionaire, will this truly be that out? Will it be that into millionaire status? And the answer is it depends. We'll get into that in a couple of minutes. But first, let me show you where XRP is right now. It stands at about 53 cents, almost 54 cents. Looking at a $30 billion market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume. We are seeing a 3% volume to market cap ratio, and the overall circulating supply is 56.33%. If we look at the last 7 days, it is down by 4%. We look at the last month, it's down by about 5.5%. And the last year, it's up by 13%. So we have not seen much movement. And we all know why we haven't seen much movement. If you are in the community, you understand that the SEC and all the things that are going on there is the driving force as to why we're not seeing anything that happens from the last bull run to where we are currently and even into this next bull run if we don't see that fully clear. Now, I believe the SEC still has until October in order to appeal, which we believe they're going to appeal from the kind of the assessment, the statement that was made from the Ripple camp in trying to keep the 125 and not pay the 125 million because they feel as though they're going to appeal anyways. So, and the SEC agreed upon that. So if they're agreeing, they're basically saying, hey, I might end up appealing anyways on these grounds, whatever these grounds are. But yeah, that's the thing that's been kind of holding it back. I would think 100% of the way. But will XRP really make millionaires? And my honest answer is yes. I do believe it'll make millionaires. But will it make you a millionaire? It really all depends on what you want to do and what you see within it. Let's say you have $1,000 that you invested into this play. Or let's say it's $500. You invested $500, it got you 1,000 coins, roughly, right? If you find a way to where this does get to a level of $10, right? You now have $10,000 because you had 1,000 coins, you have $10,000. Does that now look enticing for you to sell because you went from 500 to 10,000? Probably. As a normal person that may not see 10,000 in one sitting, no offense to you or no offense to anybody else, if you don't see 10,000 in one sitting, it's going to be kind of uncharted waters, uncharted territory for you. And if that's the case, you may end up taking not only some of your profit, but might end up taking all of it because you see what you've gained there. You're happy with what you've gained there and you want to utilize that money. Same thing goes for a higher scale, right? Say you invested $10,000. You've never seen $100,000 in one sitting, and now you're like, I want to take this $100,000. So then you take it. I wouldn't be mad at you. That was just your decision to do so. So becoming a millionaire doesn't only depend on the growth, and making a bunch of millionaires doesn't only depend on the growth, it also depends on what you're going to do. Now, I'm not telling you that you need the diamond hand and you need to hold everything for the rest of your life. You can do whatever you want. You can sell it whatever time you want. I'm not going to be mad at you for doing so. You may end up being mad at yourself in the end, knowing that you sold maybe 10,000 XRP at a level of $1 and you have $10,000. Now it's up to $100 per coin and you could have had, 100,000 or $1 million or something like that based on just how much you had. Yeah, it's going to feel horrible, but you still ended up profiting in the end, so you can't be super mad at yourself, right? And no one can frown upon you for taking profit in any way because many people outside of the XRP community are probably telling you, hey, take profit when you can. So that all depends on you, but will it have the opportunity to make millionaires? The opportunity is there, right? Getting to these levels and implementing XRP into these banking institutions and payment options and utilizing XRP will be a thing. And when it does become a thing, the opportunity will be there for many people to make millions. Some people, it might be easier than others, right? If you get to a value of $10 and it's at a $5 trillion market cap, which is not crazy, it's not absurd for what XRP will be used for, right? It's not absurd. You now have, or me, I would have 100,000 coins. I now have $1 million. So for somebody like me, or for somebody that does have 100,000 or more, it may be easier, maybe an easier road to becoming a millionaire. So it will create millionaires. It's just when you start to get to lower levels here, 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, 1,000, will you become a millionaire? And that opportunity is honestly up to you, whether you're going to take that opportunity or seize that opportunity or or take profit or not take profit. It's up to you. And I'm not going to tell you that you need to hold on to it. I'm not going to tell you that you need to sell it. But what I am going to tell you is, make sure you go with your gut and whatever you decide to do. Have an exit plan so that maybe you can give yourself the opportunity to gain hundreds of thousands or even become a millionaire. But then also be able to protect your initial investment plus profit as time goes on. So you can feel happy about the fact that you still hold maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars while only investing from the start $10,000 or $1,000 or something. So let me know what you think about this. Am I right by saying that millionaires will be made, but the opportunity and whether many people take that millionaire status or that opportunity to be able to become a millionaire is still kind of up in the air? Are they going to take it? Are they not going to take it? Let me know your thoughts. It's honestly something I've been thinking about ever since the question has been asked, because I think about it too, right? I've never seen in one investment, I've never seen over $200,000 in one investment. So $200,000 for me is going to be tough. That's why I have an exit plan to say, oh, when I hit $50,000 or I hit whatever, I can now take a little bit of that investment. And I think for me, I can't remember exactly what the level is, but I think for me, I'm looking at a value of like $5 where I'm at $500,000. And now I'm like, all right, I take my initial investment, I leave the rest in there. I can feel happy about what I hold now. And if it does stay at the level that it is or decreases and, falls as we see it, a falling market or a bear market, then I can be happy with what I've taken because I've taken my money to now give myself another opportunity to invest more at lower levels in the next bear market that comes along. So I want to know what your thoughts are. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you check out the link for Margex and Patreon and Twitter down below. I'm going to get out of here. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.